crystallization and purification of chemical substance. Determination of melting point of solid organic compound. Our aim here is to determine the melting point of the given organic compound. Theory. The melting point of a solid is the temperature at which the solid state melts, and it is in equilibrium with its liquid state when the external pressure is 1 atmosphere. A pure compound has a fixed and sharp melting point, and it can be used to characterize or identify the compound. It can also be used as a criterion for its purity. To perform the experiment, the apparatus required are Thiele's tube, a thermometer having 1 degree calibration, Bunsen burner, a capillary tube, thread, iron stand with a clamp, a glazed paper, and a glass rod. The chemicals required are paraffin oil and the given solid organic compound. Let us perform the experiment. Transfer a small amount of the given organic compound from the watch glass on a clean glazed paper. Finally powder it using a glass rod and then form it into a small mound. Take a capillary tube about 5 to 6 cm long. Hold the capillary tube over the Bunsen flame for a few seconds and keep rolling it between your 2 fingers to seal one end of the tube. Stop heating it when a bulb is formed at that end of the capillary. This shows that capillary is now sealed. Insert the open end of the capillary tube into the powder about 2 to 3 times so that the powder gets filled in the capillary. Now, gently tap the capillary tube on the table to push the powder at the base. The height of the powder in the capillary tube should be about 3 to 5 mm. Now, tie the capillary tube to the low end of the thermometer using a thread. Care should be taken that the base of the capillary containing the compound and the bulb of the thermometer are at the same level. Immerse the thermometer along with the capillary in Thiele's tube containing paraffin oil. The bulb of the thermometer should be near the upper end of the triangular side arm of Thiele's tube. Secure the entire setup in place by using iron stand and clamp. Heat the side arm of Thiele's tube gently. There is uniform heating due to convection currents. Now closely watch the temperature as well the compound in the capillary tube. The compound has now melted. Put off the burner and immediately note down the temperature. The temperature is 121 degrees Celsius. This is the melting point of the given organic compound. Now, let us note down the observation. The temperature at which the substance melts completely is 121 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 121 plus 273, which is equal to 394 Kelvin. Precautions to be taken. Heat Thiele's tube slowly and gradually. Otherwise, the temperature will rise abruptly and you will miss the correct melting point. The compound must be dry and in fine powder form. The capillary tube and the thermometer should not touch the bottom or sides of the Thiele's tube. Keep the thread above the oil level. Be alert during the entire experiment. Water should not mix with the paraffin oil or it will spurt or crackle when heated. Oil should not be brought in contact with the open flame, else it will catch fire. After noting the melting point, heating should be discontinued. Otherwise, the temperature will further rise. Result: the melting point of the solid organic compound is 121 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 394 Kelvin.